The Tasmanian devil, also known scientifically as a Sarcophilus harrisi, is the world's largest carnivorous marsupial since the extinction of the Tasmanian tiger. Once a native in mainland Australia, now the devil can only be found in the wild in the island of Tasmania. Tasmanian devils have rat-like features, sharp teeth, and coarse black fur. Their height can range between 51 to 79 centimeters, and they can weigh between 4 to 12 kilograms. Tasmanian devils can live anywhere on the island Tasmania, but they prefer coastal scrublands and forests. But no matter what area of the land they inhabit, these animals sleep under rocks, or in caves, logs, or burrows. Tasmanian devils eat birds, snakes, fish, and insects. Often they feast on dead carcasses called carrion. When they eat, Tasmanian devils don't waste any part of the animal. They eat the bones, hair, organs, and muscle of their prey. Tasmanian devils walk because it lives on the Australian mainland, and when it's running it can move up to 50 miles per hour. Tasmanian devils typically mate once a year in March, and they can give birth to 20 to 50 young. It matures at the age of 2, which is the adult age for the species. It can live up to 5 to 6 years. However, if the conditions are good, they can live up to 8 years. The baby Tasmanian devils are called imps and are pink, hairless, and only about the size of a grain of rice. At birth, the imps must race to their mother's pouch, where they compete for one of her 4 nipples. Only those 4 will have a chance of survival. The others will die. Tasmanian devil is in the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, and the genus and species of Sarcophilus. It's important to save the Tasmanian devils because they eat all the sick and dead animals, and they keep control of feral cats and red foxes in Tasmania. Because of this, the native Australian animals have a higher chance of survival. There is a captive breeding program for the Tasmanian devils on the Australian mainland to avoid risk of infection from diseased wild devils. The disease is called devil facial trauma disease. The Tasmanian devils are good swimmers and they have an excellent sense of smell. If the Tasmanian devils became extinct, there would be a lot more feral cats and red foxes that would wreak havoc to native Australian mammals.